Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to install Nomad Esim. So guys, select the mobile communication from the setting app. Make sure you have connected stable internet or Wi-Fi. So tap on the use the QR code and the code, read the QR code and scan the code, and you will receive email after you purchase your plan. And now read the QR code, select and enter detail information manually. So guys, at the screen, manual some address and activate code provided under your email and tap continue and tap the QR code and cannot be cancelled or used. Tap the done option and continue and confirm that new plan has been added, and you can optionally change the name of something more easily and recognizable to your tap copy and vary by country and select the line guys. After that, my message FaceTime Apple ID and select line to be used mobile communication and select main line in this, and you want to use SIM for communication immediately. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.